Good day to one and all, especially to our young and humble professor, Mr. Lloyd Tejano, and to my energetic and enthusiastic classmates. I am Janeline P. Putong, Teacher 3 of De La Paz Elementary School, Cortes District, presenting to all of you the topic, Role of Management Information System in Supporting Strategic Information System Planning. The Management Information System, or MIS. Academically, the term is usually used to refer to the complex of information management methods tied to the automation or support of human decision making. For example, decision maintenance systems, specific systems, and executive information systems. MIS involve three basic resources: people, technology, and information or decision making. The Management Information System offers information that is needed to administer organizations efficiently and effectively. MIS are recognizable from other information systems in that their purpose is to analyze operational activities in the organization. A successful management information system claims the long-range plans of a company, providing reports based on performance analysis in fields critical to those plans, with feedback loops that allow for decoration of every aspect of the company, including induction and training regimens. Management information system not only indicates how things are moving, but also why and where performance is failing to identify with the plan. These reports include real-time performance of rate centers and projects with details adequate for individual accountability. The need for management information systems. Management information system is the key factor to facilitate and attain efficient decision-making in an organization. There are two dimensions of MIS. These are information selection and information presentation. Information selection relates to the selection of appropriate management accounting information, while information presentation refers to the techniques of management control adopted by organizations, which includes traditional ones like strategic planning and budgeting. These two dimensions of MIS determine the design of the management control system. Strategic planning with an objective in achieving organizational efficacy is vital. The formulation of effective strategies will not ensure that an entity achieves organizational efficacy unless the entity has actually implemented those strategies. In order to manage the business and achieve organizational efficacy, the organization takes some elements into account, such as organizational structure, management style, and the management control system that includes the management information system. The management control system is an important mechanism as it is responsible for the design and implementation of strategies. In terms of the range and reliability, the condition of managerial information that feeds the planning and control processes is important. Organizations that have articulated a well-thought-out strategic plan are in a position to make informed decisions. Strategic planning puts everyone on the same page, working in unison. Strategic planning literature commonly expects the fact that the use of a strategic planning process positively affects profitability. The implementation of management information systems. Accurate information is the basis for all strategic decision making. Information flow in an organization is the flow of information throughout the organization. Data or information flows in an organization in two ways: vertically, flowing up and down among managers, and horizontally, which flows sideways among departments. The implementation of management information systems and associated strategic planning would result in a development. Information systems have enabled companies and organizations in many parts of the world to provide services and products of a high quality, low cost, and in a timely manner, sometimes through the redesign of business processes. Many organizations rely on information systems for decision making, to improve customer service and develop appropriate reporting, monitoring, and control mechanisms. To most effectively achieve this, it is generally accepted that information technology or information system strategy must be closely aligned to business strategy. It has been suggested that strategic alignment of information technology exists when a business organization's goals, activities, and processes are in harmony with the information systems that support them. Strategic planning process is a specific process and technique used to build a strategic approach in the organization. It refers to a rational, sequential effort aimed at structuring step by step the organizational strategy. Strategic planning is important also because it brings into discussion two very important concepts: the organization's mission and the analysis of the environment. The analysis of the environment implies an objective analysis of the opportunities that exist within the environment of the organization, which need to be related to the organization's mission and its internal capacities, strong and weak points. There are many issues to consider when adopting information system. These are lack of organizational readiness for adoption, inadequate support for the needed change, lack of alignment with strategic change, inadequate support and user involvement, and unrealistic expectations. Information system adoption is fundamentally an agent for organizational change, and this change requires effective leadership practice and technical skills. The adoption of information system is an important interference in an organization's life. It influences and is influenced by many variables in societal and organizational culture, decision-making by top management, strategies of the organizations, and risk-taking orientations. There are at least two sources of conflict in the information system industry for adopting and implanting information system. Firstly, between the old and new generations, and secondly, between the economic necessity for the implementation of information system and the fear of what it might bring. There are also two major issues affecting the change of modernization and information technology. First is adoption of the modernization strategy and philosophy, and on the other hand, the management and control of such change with all the new tools that come with it, including information technology. Thus, management information system influences the success or failure of strategic planning processes. But with good management information system, steps by steps in strategic planning can be optimized to reach the organization goals. There are several factors that influence the effectiveness of management information system in influencing strategic planning processes. Management information system ensures high level of service quality and effective information sharing between all the departments in the organization and provide accurate information to the senior management inside the organization that helps to make precise strategic decisions. However, the effectiveness of the management information system to improve the strategic planning processes depend on some underlying factors. MIS are user interface systems which are required for supplying the information and also for processing the information to support the strategies, different functions of the various departments, as well as strategic planning processing of the management in the organization dealings. A management information system fails in succeeding the strategic planning process in a service organization if there are inadequacies of capital component of the system such as hardware and software. Thus, the usefulness of the MIS will be obviously constrained. Second, there is limited access to information and services. The strategic role of an organization is affected by the barriers that exist regarding access to information and services. This deficiency refers to issues such as widespread access to modern communication technologies, the access of persons with disabilities to different public or private services, and the lack of information available for visitors and tourists, etc. Third, the availability of personnel is the key determinant in the implementation of management information system, which will affect the success of strategic planning process in an organization. This is the factor that constrains service organizations to apply management information system effectively. Consequently, the success of strategic planning process is difficult to achieve. Fourth, the existence of managers and CEOs in application of management information system is a necessity. The extent of CEO involvement in the organization management information system would be better in the application of strategic planning process in an organization. Fifth, government policy influences the formulation of strategic plans, which indirectly affects the effectiveness of management information system to optimize the strategic planning process in an organization. In short, the success or failure of the strategies implemented in an organization are influenced by the regulations and policies conducted by the government. 6. Users are the ones responsible for the success or failure of the strategies. When an organization lacks qualified human resources in information technology and information system, the implementation of management information system is far from successful goals. The need to improve strategic planning is one important step for the near future development. Thus, the capability of people in an organization of information system and how to adequately store plays a very significant role. 7. The success of information system implementation is only possible if the organization is capable of spending money, time, and provides the resources. The user considers information system a failed project if implementation of project is late and it costs more. To conclude my topic, using information and communication technology caused that the issue of access and opportunities that are underpin of decision-making and strategic planning has done faster and more accurate, and quality of decisions will increase and reduce the time required to obtain useful information. Moreover, management information helps managers at all levels to make more accurate and precise decisions, and also inconspicuous the barriers to internal and external decisions. Finally, review and study proper method of use increases the efficiency and effectiveness of organizational functions and provides better coordination between short-term goals, middle and long-term goals of the organization. And these are my references. That would be all. Thank you for watching.